you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Xrizz'Tina. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video if you love a super easy makeup look. This is definitely another tutorial. And I'm gonna start off with my eyebrows. Because I want to have a romantic look, I'm gonna make my brows a little bit softer, and I'm using ABH. This is their brow gel. It has a nice hold, but it's not intense. Like, it doesn't lay your hairs super duper flat to your skin. So for my eyebrows, I'm actually going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow definer. This is my favorite brow pencil ever. I'm gonna make a soft line underneath my eyebrow, and when I say soft, I mean I'm being light-handed. And then I'm just gonna flick this through. Yesterday I extended the tail of my eyebrow and it was so cute. And I'm using the angled side to make the little hair strokes. And I'm gonna go ahead and extend my eyebrow out a little bit, cause I did it yesterday and I like the way that it looked. And I always like to add hair strokes using the ABH brow powder. And what brush is this? The number 20 brush from them. And I literally just flick it through the hairs. And this is in the shade Granite. I don't know if I mentioned that for the pencil. Now back here where it's sparse because we cut off our tail, this is going to be essential because there's barely any hair back there. Nice soft eyebrows. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is conceal underneath them. Y'all know the routine. Y'all know the routine. So I'm actually going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in the shade Fawn. And I'm going to put it on my Royal and Lane Nickel brush. This is my cut crease brush that I always use to do my eyebrows and to do my cut creases. If you want to get one, it's linked down below. Okay? Linked down below. So I have my primer on. I'm just going to zoom us in a little bit more. The first color that I'm going to use is Parallel, and this is from the PRISM palette. I've actually never used this color, just to make it nice and cute. Oh! Oh! This is a cute brown. Hold on. Wait a minute. This is what happens when you don't play with your palettes. You gotta use your palettes, you guys. So I'm just gonna come in and I'm gonna swipe sideways. I'm not extending my brush too far outward while I'm doing this swiping motion because I don't want the brown to take over. I just want to soften the perimeter. And I'm gonna come on the outside here, do the same thing so that it matches. I will say I appreciate how pigmented it is. It's not patchy or anything. This got dramatic really quickly too. I'm trying to decide between Eden and Orange Soda. Orange Soda is from the Soft Glam palette. So I'm just going to put Orange Soda up here. So take a nice natural color and just whoopity whoop, whoopity whoop. Blend until your arm falls off. Okay, so now I'm going to take the color Burnt Orange. This is right here. And I'm going to sweep it up into the inner corner right here. And I'm doing this to add a little bit of depth, but not so much that it looks like I've got a really heavy smoky eye going on. And you want to make sure that when you're blending this, you're bringing it into the other two colors, the one that's in your crease and the one that's above your crease. I'm going to take a 242 brush from MAC and a little bit of Eternal. And I'm just going to put Eternal on my lid. Oh, that is so beautiful. That is so beautiful. So just layer this on. I'm sweeping this all across my lid and of course blending it into my crease. And it's simple, you know, it's not too complicated. And you can make the line harsh or you can make it soft, whatever you prefer. And this is a classic eyeshadow style, you guys. Anybody can really do this. You just have to adjust it to your eye shape and it will look beautiful. Oh, that is so pretty. Okay, so you want to take your blending brush that you initially started with and a little bit of the eyeshadow that you were using in your crease, whether you have the same palette as me or not. It's just a dark brown. Same color, and sweep it into the color you just put on your lid. What this is going to do is it's going to soften the border. See the difference? It's going to soften the end of that eyeshadow so that you have a nice smooth glow going on your eyelid. Take an eyeshadow brush. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills A1 brush, and just take a black or gray eyeshadow. I'm going to go into Obsidian. It is in the Prism palette. Tap it off so you don't have too much, and then just line your lash line with it. This is a lot softer looking, and it also gives you more volume around your lash line. I also think this is way easier to do than actual eyeliner. For my lashes, which I'm very excited about, I'm going to pop on my AMANDIZZLLEE lashes. So Amanda did a collaboration with AMBUTL. I think that's how you say it. And this is how the lashes look. They are so cute. And definitely worth the purchase, sis. Okay, the packaging alone, it's so, like, when I rub my thumb up against it, it sends tingles through my hand. I love it. And then these lashes are called Hey Girl. So I'm going to pop these on. I think these are really, really good for day-to-day wear. And they look pretty. I think these are really, really good for day-to-day wear. And they look pretty for, you know, a natural, romantical look. So I'm going to pop these on. And I'm using my Tarte Pro Lash Adhesive. I think I'm definitely going to switch back to my Thrive Cosmetics glue, because even though this one is more affordable, it's really, really difficult to remove, and I don't like that. And my T-zone is looking mighty smooth, you guys, with this primer. Okay, let me pop on these lashes. Okay, y'all see these lashes? They are so cute. I'm going to put on this one. I just read a comment. Someone said they like lashes, but they hate that they don't know how to put them on. And let me tell y'all, it's definitely not easy, because everybody's eye is different. And what works for me might not work for you, you know? How you learn your comfort. But once you get the hang of putting on your lashes, it's over. It's over. Lashes. What I'm going to do is add some mascara to my eyelashes. And the one I've been using lately is the Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara. This is really, really cute. And I like how within their minis, they use the actual wand size for the full size in the mini. Makes it so much easier to apply. I know some sample sized or travel size products, they shorten, or not shorten, they make the wand tiny, you know? It's like, that's not what I need. But this is so cute. And this is perfect for travel, especially if you don't want to lose your mascara, the full size one. Because girl, there is nothing quite like losing makeup, especially full size makeup. It costs some coins. I also like this because I'm able to get right up in here with it and make my real lashes look like they match the fake ones. I don't know what Snow is doing. I think she's trying to get to the cactus. She is growing so much, you guys. I keep telling people that she's not getting bigger, and everyone's like, she's getting bigger. Yesterday, I realized that she can jump up on my bed. And I thought that since she's a shorty, like her legs are short, that she wouldn't be able to do that. But she was just hopping up on my bed. I'm like, oh no, sis. Your fur get everywhere. I love you. But I don't know if I can have you in my bed. Tulip, she sheds too, but she doesn't shed like Snow sheds. Snow sheds for like, is her job. Final step to the eyes is taking the Kat Von D liner one more again and just lining super thinly. Moving on, I'm going to take my Vibes liner from Morphe. This is actually an eyeliner that I use as lip liner. And I like it as lip liner because it's brown, it's warm, it's not orange, and it really complements my lipstick that I'm about to put on. The lipstick I'm going to wear is Impulsive. This is a Powder Kiss matte lipstick from MAC. It's matte, it's smooth, and it's comfortable to wear. And that is really important to me because if my lipstick isn't comfortable, I can't wear it. That is so cute. Okay, and then I'm going to add a little bit of Explicit gloss. And this gloss is cool toned. It's like a silverish gray, but it looks so shiny. Aha! Okay, and last but not least, put my beauty mark back on. Oops, it is right here. And this is the ABH liquid liner. I like it because it's matte finish, you know, and it's super duper black. I don't have to go over the lines too many times, especially when I do a winged eyeliner with this. I just have to wait for it to dry, and then I'm gonna put on my setting sprays. In the meantime, let me change my outfit. This is a cute little, you know, whatever. You can't even see it. Hold on. No. Green is my favorite color, so I'll wear it any day. But anyway, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. Let me know down below in the comments, which palette do you like the most? Soft Glam or the Prism palette? I think they're both cute. They're like really cool cousins, maybe sisters. And I will say that most of the colors that I used did come from the Prism palette. So you can create just about any look with the right colors in a palette. But let me know which one y'all like down below, the Prism palette or the Soft Glam palette. I hope y'all appreciate my easy, sultry makeup look. I really don't know what I'm going to call this video, but what I do know is you can go ahead and subscribe down below or right here and then watch the next video because it's totally free. Subscribe, homies, and then share it with your friends because that's how it helps me continue to make tutorials and things like that. And I will see y'all next time. Peace.